Hey, welcome back to Corbellic Studios. I'm Corbellic. Today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough painting of a Western Indian cowboy on a horse. Real cool. It's like an Americana, Western, vintage, all of that mixed in there all in once. It's just going to be colorful. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're doing this on somewhat of a larger painting today. This is going to be a 16 by 20, but I love doing sizes like this because I'm able to be more physical into the art. I'm able to really put the colors that I want in there. There are no mistakes. You can make your happy mistakes as well. There's nothing that's going to go wrong. Just show up, do the actions, and here let's show up together and let's see what we pull out. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't work, but it's going to work for somebody. That's the key part about showing up and doing the work. It's going to work for somebody who's going to buy your beautiful painting. All right, let's do this. All right, so this is our painting right here. And let's start with a background. Normally I do this just white, but I think this one's gonna look really, really cool when we have like somewhat of a background. Let's do like a bluish, maybe like a bluish red. Okay, since I already have a little bit of red that's on this paintbrush, right? So let's do like the top color is gonna be somewhat red or pink. Okay. And then let's do the bottom, that's gonna be our our what is this? Royal blue? Not royal blue, but baby blue. Took me a while to think about that. All right, now I'm just gonna have the white and I'm gonna bring it all together. Look at that. The white. There it is. The white. There it is. All right, let's add a little bit more white to the top. And let's see. Okay. And that's that. That works. That works for me. That's beautiful. That way we have two different colors, so the eye could bounce off of each other. It'd be like, whoa. All right. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna let this dry a little bit by using our heat gun. We're gonna force the dry. We're not gonna wait on anything. We don't got time to wait. All right. We got paintings to knock out. We're not waiting on nothing. All right, so there we go right there. Now we're just gonna go in here with a 1-inch brush and really just try to put the colors in here as quick as possible. So that way we can have more of the abstract expressionism look. You know, we're not trying to make it look tight. We're not trying to make it look pronounced. We're trying to make it look whatever it's supposed to be. Whatever it's supposed to be, that's what we're gonna do. So here's our 1-inch right here. And yeah, we're just gonna get through with it because it doesn't matter at the end of the day. Whatever it's supposed to be, that's what it's going to be. As long as we showed up. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm going to work fast. I know that much. The only thing I know is that I'm showing up to work. The work doesn't have to be perfect and pretty. It just has to be that you showed up. You can cheat everybody. You can lie and say that you're being so productive and that you're doing a lot of great work. And I don't know what's going on with my sales. I don't know what's going on in my art career. Deep down inside, you know what's the problem. It's you. You didn't show up to work because you're too much in your head and you want to give excuses. It's easier to give excuses. The first thing they taught us in psychology was that the brain is going to find whatever excuse that it can to not do the work or to just do anything. It's always going to find the easiest route. The brain is always going to find the easiest, laziest route. So if you know that, go outside of it. Because everything, what do they always say? That fear is mental, it's not real. It's the same thing with art. And then once you're done, you're like, man, I could have done that. I should have done that hours ago. I could have got done with it. When it comes to anything in life, we always try to use the shortcut. And then when you do the shortcut, you always got to go back to the original step anyways of what the work was going to be. And then you're like, damn, if only if I would have just done it the right way, I would have saved myself time. So why not just do it right from the beginning instead of listening to your brain trying to save time? Just do what you're supposed to be doing. Just do the right thing from the beginning, and then you save yourself time. Because you're gonna have to double when you try to take shortcuts anyways of being lazy, you're gonna have to double back anyways. So just get the work done for, so you don't have to go back to that mountain and reface it. Because someone dumber than you out there, they actually did the work. Because they're so dumb and naive that they just showed up with action without thinking about it. No analysis with them at all. They're dumb. And I don't, I'm not, you know what I mean. I'm not saying it like someone's dumb. I'm just mean that usually people who don't overanalyze things, those are the ones who are the action takers. Those are the ones who are the movers, because they're not thinking about the consequences and different things like that. They're just moving. You have to be moving so fast that it doesn't matter. That's one of the best things that I've heard out of all the years. You have to move fast. Success works off of speed. And that's with everything. And I've seen it firsthand. God will reward you off of speed because you're doing volume, you're producing, you're showing up. But Lord, I did this one Mona Lisa. It took me 2 months to do it, Lord. It's like, what did you do with the other? What was you doing with the rest of your time? But isn't it pretty? They're wasting time. Look at this. We're not wasting time, like even with this painting, because I'm already thinking about the next painting. I don't know about you. I love painting and all, but I'm ready to get out the studio sometimes. I want to get done with work. Like, you got to treat this like it's a job, it's work. Like, I want to get done with work. Like, I don't want to be standing up here for hours and hours and then you don't get paid after it. I don't understand that mindset. Why are you doing that? Let me show you how to get paid for it in the least amount of time, how you can set things up, how you can have a system in place. Join the eBay art community. I have everything set up for you. I spent months creating my course with hundreds of thousands of hours of video, screenshots, templates. Everything is there for you. Things that I wish that I had when I started out. I didn't have anything like that of people helping me in the game. I had to learn these things myself. A lot of it I even had to take. I had to go to eBay conferences and Google conferences. Let me help you. Let me help you. All right. I don't know what's going on with this painting right now. I just know I'm just painting, just talking to you and painting, really. That usually helps me as well, just get my mind off of what the painting is. It's just that we're talking. So by the time I'm done running my mouth, then I'm like, I look at the painting, I'm like, dang, we already done. Or we're almost there. And I didn't have to think about the choices. I think that's why I love doing these YouTube videos, is that it helps me not think about the choices as much, because I'm just talking. So then that way when I'm done, I don't have to have all of my energy and focus into what my choices are going to be. Because I was talking to you the whole time. And while doing that, I'm not thinking of it, I'm just producing. Maybe that can help you too. Shoot some YouTube videos of yourself working. No one has to see it if you don't want to. Look at this. This is awesome. And then what's really going to be cool is when I add the white after. All right. Let's do this color. See how loose? All right, now I'm going into the white. So if I'm doing the white now, then I think I'm gonna change my brush up pretty soon. Or maybe not. You know what? I'm just gonna keep it the 1 inch. Who cares? Who cares? I was saying on one of my videos that I filmed today is that some people don't like the concept of me saying who cares. But it's like, really, you have to say that though. You have to say who cares about the outcome. That's how you're able to produce. That's how you're able to be free. It's just paint. It's not life or death. Why can't I say that? Why are you trying to police me in what I say? What's wrong with you? Look at this. How long did it take us to do this? I know it didn't take us that long. What time is it? So it took us about 10 minutes. It took us 10 minutes to do this. Headdress. Oh, let's see here. Huh? At this point, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to get on to the next painting. I'm trying to get done. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with saying that. Like, they act like every time that we do a painting, we're supposed to just be in love with that whole moment, and you're just supposed to love just doing that one painting. No, I'm trying to always get done. I'm trying to get done. The faster I can get done, the faster that I can get out the studio. And well, I still have to edit videos. I have to do coaching. I have some clients to follow up with, but you know, I can do the other things that I want to do. Which is helping people. And I can get to some emails. Look at that. All right, now what I'm going to do is just a smaller brush, 3/4. That way I can add like the ropes, or is that what they call it? Is that what it's called? I don't want to be wrong. I say so many things that's wrong. Like foliage or... you know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to turn the lights on. Because I think we're good. I think we are Gucci. Right? What do you think? I think it's good. Now let me add some horsehair on the back. It's only right. And then let's do some, I like doing these abstract, like footprints kind of thing. And you could do your own thing too. Like, you see how I'm just having fun with it? There is no right, there's no wrong. It's just showing up. I don't know what I'm doing. Look at that. Wow. It's magical. Yeah. I love it. And I am going to list this for $1,000. But that's not $1,000 painting. That's a 99-cent painting. That's not $1,000 painting. That's not a $500 painting. I can list it for $1 million if I want to. If I put this in the gallery on Melrose, it's a Corbellic $1,000 painting. And look, we just did that together. Isn't that nice? Look at that. That is beautiful. Let me take this light off. Look, we just did this together. That's a fun painting. If I can do it, you can do it. You could figure out and you can learn how to do this yourself in the eBay Art Community Program. Links down below. I have everything for you, the templates, copy and paste. You can do everything. I have the account set up for you. Only thing you have to do is just get in there, follow the steps, and you can start making money as early as next week for the holidays. All right, I'm gonna see you on the next video.